Apologists.
Okay. Well, hey, I guess that's that. Well,
You're no longer allowed to talk to me, are you?
well, apparently I wasn't allowed to talk to you at all. So, and I just didn't realize that.
And pursuit. Proverbs 28:1. The wicked flee when not pursued. Proverbs 28:1. The wicked flee when not pursued. Proverbs 28:1. The wicked flee when not pursued. Proverbs 28:1.
Shut down the fake Israelites, man, here in Arizona. I was having a good dialogue with dude, but you know, Vocab is scared of him, so now they put an order out that you can't.
Vocab is scared of him?
No, they're scared of Vocab. Yeah, so Vocab is not scared of them, they're scared of Vocab, so they put a word out, you know, so once Vocab showed up, there's a word out for, I think, Sicarii and others that you just gotta not have dialogue. So, yeah.
But you can't escape. Right? Keep going. In chains they shall come over. In chains they shall
I'm fine with the Israelite prophecy, I just can't take your eisegesis.
Fall down unto thee. Right.
We're out here, fake grooves.
What's your nationality, man?
Can I get one of those?
For decades, we've been telling you who the major players are going to be in this World War III. Now we see these events on fire.
We just showed up with Hebrew Israelites. And the second we came over, these two guys go on their phone. They go on their phone and they head down there. You already know they're calling Al-Azhar. That's exactly what they're doing. That's why they walked away with their phone. The second we came over, they started whispering and stuff. Did you see that?
Yeah, they've been whispering all night. But yeah, that was very on the spot.
Yep.
Right? Through the law, through John 3 with different.
There's a lot of whispering with you guys. It's like trip out of that.
So the law is how we're born again?
I just wonder.
John 3, Jesus said, give us the law how we're born again. Okay.
Ephesians 5:26. Respectfully, because there's a certain individual here, right? I'm not allowed to dialogue, right? So no more dialogue, but I will attempt to address things that I may see coming up, right? So, from there.
That's a man loves questions.
I'm just here. I'm not saying nothing.
He's Christian vocab alone is here. These men have already declared that there will be no more
Edomites are irrelevant to the truth.
Ephesians 5.
But he said he was open to questions. He wanted questions.
That he might sanctify and cleanse it with the washing of the water by the word.
Sicarii's afraid of vocab alone.
That he might present it. Hold on.
Word is out.
Hold on, he wants me to say it again. Sicarii's afraid of vocab alone.
Let's give me Luke 21 and 15.
The book of Luke.
The only reason I'm going out of my way to target certain people is because I feel like I'm getting my ass whooped. That's right, because some people got wisdom that I can't do nothing with. That's right, my ass whooped. Well, on the internet too many times to just let it slide. That's right, Hey, read that again. Book of Luke, chapter 21, verse 15. Right? For I will give you a mouth. I will give you a mouth. I will give you a mouth. And wisdom. Which all your adversaries shall not be able to gainsay nor resist. Those that are going into slavery, those that have picked up our heritage and tried to include themselves in it, are not able to swing this sword like those that were born for it. That's right, right? Give me that.
Now, if there's one person here you can't talk to, what about all the other people you would consider Jakes or Israelites?
Jeremiah!
Why would you not talk to them
18.
for the sake of your
Nevertheless,
message?
in those
despite
days,
one person?
said the Lord,
That doesn't
I
make
will
sense
not
to me.
make a full end with you.
Now,
And it
you
shall
need to explain that rationale, that logic. We don't understand.
We're just having a great dialogue.
Don't you consider them worthy of your message?
Wherefore thus said the Lord God of hosts, right? Because you speak this word, because we speak this word, right? We're not up here with no agenda. You don't see no damn collection plate, right? We're out here.
How much you got to give on your cash out to Al-Azhar?
Right?
The pot that we pay into, Al-Azhar pays into too. We're not just giving it to them.
So he pays to his own Cash App?
Yes. The pot that we pay into, Alazar pays into too. We're not just giving it to him.
So he pays to his own Cash App?
Yes. He deposits money into his own Cash App for the purposes of things that have to do with the camp.
Gentlemen, can you help me understand how it's paying to the pot when he pays it to his own Cash App?
Listen, if he has his own money, all of his money is not in Cash App.
So who has access to the Cash App?
I don't know who all has access to it. I don't have access to it, but I know what the proceedings are.
Do you think it's on more than one phone?
I don't know, but doesn't matter.
Don't pull that.
Because we speak
You may
this
not have a
word,
connection right out
behold,
here.
I will make my words at thy mouth fire. I will make my words.
Levite.
I will make my
come on
words
now.
at thy mouth fire.
We've seen how you guys
And this people would.
Yes,
This people
on.
would. This shit burning these niggas up.
That's
right. Right. Go ahead.
And this shall devour them.
And this shall devour them. Hey, this is a spiritual ass movie. Y'all got a physical.
That's right. Hey, they're not violent, y'all. They're not violent. Did you hear what they just said, though?
Hey, we listen.
Did you hear what they just said? They're not violent, but you got a physical.
Jeremiah 5:14.
They're not violent.
That's right. She speak this word.
Don't forget, they have sidearms.
I will make my words at thy mouth fire. That's right. And this people would. And it shall devour them.
That's right. You see? Yeah.
It burns.
Yeah, you see his piece?
They can't be joined to.
They're not violent, though.
That they can't be fellow heirs with the Israelites. That God.
Who exactly are you talking to?
Wait, what good is
Because if no one can interact with you, who exactly are you speaking to?
What are you saying? I don't even know what your point is.
You don't gotta get off the corner.
So you came out in public to talk to a camera.
Right.
That's what a studio's for. That's what a studio's for.
We're having a good conversation, bro. James 2:14. This is great, man. James 2, verse 14. Now, Abraham believed God. Because we have noise behind the camera, I'm in front of it. We have people out here yelling, right? Just so the message is clear. The message is clear. Abraham, who was not a Hebrew Israelite, was justified by faith. These other nations are going to be ashamed and confounded. All of them. And they shall go to confusion. Hold on, it got real fucking quiet, didn't it? That's right, huh? And they shall go to confusion. They shall go into confusion. It's either because
First he said everybody was yelling, now he says it got quiet.
it's either because they're trying to learn and they ain't got no
All right, what happened to Abraham?
together.
Okay, wait. I have a serious question.
Yahushua said,
What about Rahab?
How does the evidence? You can see it for yourself.
Have we asked about Rahab yet?
I don't think so. Because they haven't answered it, Rahab.
Thou shalt take up.
Acts 13. Acts 13. Verse 1. Let every soul be subject unto the higher powers.
That's Romans 13. Wrong text. Move on.
Buzz, nice try no say.
It's the book before that.
Acts 13. That's funny. Romans 13. And it shall come to pass that whosoever shall call on the name of the Lord, thou shalt be saved.
That's not Acts 13 either.
That's not Acts.
Whoever shall call on the name of the Lord shall be saved. See, this man is preaching the gospel to you all. Whoever
And I agree with that. They always agree with that. Read.
It's the word.
Ye men of Israel.
It's convenient that they're now talking about wrapping it up. It's convenient that they're now talking about wrapping it up real quick.
Oh, wait, I'm being summoned. I'm being summoned. I want to know what he wants.
I enjoyed myself tonight.
They're just hateful and itching to for trouble.
Second Nazareth.
Certain people got to be pressed to Turkey and go spend money on flights, on travel, to go to different cities, to target people who they look as less than them, right? But they know there's something going on with these Israelites. These people obviously got God on their side. That's right, because we can't do shit with them. They in slavery and we ain't got no power to do nothing with these people. All praises to the Most High. All praises to the Most High. Right, so with that, I'll say, come on, Lord, Yahweh, by Hashem Yahushua. Right, form that strong, form that strong.
So if I come out here, you guys won't even talk to the people? You guys know if that's a permanent rule or a temporary rule?
Oh, hey, I've got a bullseye on my head.
Is that a permanent or temporary rule?
Wait a minute.
Come on,
Wait a
guys.
minute.
Show some love.
Is it drop the Sicilian
If the
time?
off, then are you able to talk to them? He wouldn't, we'll turn our cameras off, he wouldn't know.
Time you guys coming back?
Oh man, why do you have a white man on your hat?
That's a leprechaun.
That's an Irish white man. It also represents pagan folklore. Why does he have a white man on his hat?
The green hat is a leprechaun.
That's pagan folklore. Yeah.
Celtic.
Wow. Perhaps he's Irish.
They're Irish, I see.
Skip my coin. She's like that. She's like that. Spicy chorizo.
Órale, hijo,
Hey, will you tell them what you're talking about? You're talking about. Tell them what you're talking about. Yeah, but let them know. Could you tell them all? Proverbs 28:1. The wicked flee when not pursued. 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 Proverbs 28:1. The wicked flee when not pursued.
Dialogue. We found out their view of being born again is not the biblical view. Is just about Isaiah, the book of Isaiah, talking about releasing the poor and the captives, which Jesus did quote, but there's a lot more to it. And if we look at 1 Corinthians chapter 15, there's a clear gospel presentation, and it's talking about Christ dying and rising again, which didn't come up. And so we could see the error of their ways. So I was having a great dialogue. Vocab showed up, they're scared of him, and now they fled. So that was that.
Yeah, you can see that in the video. I did catch them whenever Vocab came up, and they're like, okay, stop talking.
Yeah, you said you did catch up?
I caught that.
Oh, you did?
I caught that. Very beginning of the stream.
So we shut him down, which is crazy, Like, dude's like, I ain't leaving this corner. He said that. Like, he did.
Yeah, it didn't take him long after that.
Because me, Vocab, Anthony just started talking over them.
Maybe half an hour after he said that, he went ahead and packed up and said, we're done.
Yep.
I mean, there's nothing unique about this time.
Now it's time to eat.
Yep.